So we're going to work on 3 types of walks. Something I use doing a Awalim technique, or something I like to add into more modern Raqs Sharqi styles to cool it down, give you some breathing space in what you're doing. So we'll have 3 techniques. One is going to be a slide, or you could call this a sit. You're going to transfer all weight to one side, let that hip come out a little bit, and then let's sink. So side, side, you can walk forward or back or make circles with it. And we'll have a crescent. So you'll push your hips forward, transfer the weight side to side. And as you come back, really use your pelvic floor and your lower abdominals to pull in, relax. So again, you can move forward, sideways, in a circle, any direction you want to do with that. And the last one follows a similar path to the crescent, but when your pelvis is at the forward position, it's going to have an emphasis as I'm pushing forward. Really push, push, push. You're transferring your weight to your right and left. Push, push, push. Crescent. I'll go around so you can see it from all angles. And slide. All right, let's try it with music. Just have a really nice, even rate pace. So. Straight to the camera, straight to your audience. You're going to emphasize one side. Around yourself. And push, push, push. So side, 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 side. And emphasis is forward, forward, forward. It can be done really gently, or an accent. You can accent more on one side, or you can do it 10 for each time, or Alright, let's get in the context of a song that the melody changes. So we'll use all 3. We'll change. I'll use variations like angle, maybe level, speed, and size. So we'll start with slide. Crescent. Break and slide. Slide. Sit on the one. Alright, have fun playing with that. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like content like this, please let me know. I'm hoping to provide more videos like this with instructional or educational materials. Hopefully over time the production quality will improve. I'm a little bit limited to the spaces I have now while I'm living in China, but I really want to share something with you and stay connected with the dance community. So I'd really appreciate it if you like it, let me know. If you could see potential changes, let me know. If you want more, let me know. All right, I'll see you again next time. Have a good day.